show you
race.
how to make a birdhouse.
We're gonna do a birdhouse. The same this one. We're gonna show the kids how we're gonna do it.
Yeah. Have that.
Yeah, and this one, the birdhouse. We're gonna do it. So we're gonna show the kids how we're gonna do it.
Yeah.
It's easy and simple.
Those
Right. So which color you like, Mohammed?
green.
Green. That's the green.
Purple.
You like purple? We
You
put the
first
boober
put
here.
this.
That's she like this color. Yeah.
Look at how many colors there are.
Yeah.
Pink.
We're gonna use all these colors to paint the
Dark
birdhouse.
pink, yellow,
Yes.
and green, and blue, and purple.
Good job. Say one again. You want to say again also? Okay. Let's see Siran. Yeah. You know those colors?
Pink,
Pink.
purple,
Pink also. This one is like
purple,
yeah, purple,
blue,
blue,
green,
green,
pink,
pink, and which one? This one.
green,
This one. No, this one green. This one yellow.
pink.
Good job. We're gonna do it. Are you guys ready?
Purple, purple.
Let's show the kids how they're gonna do it.
Yes.
Say yes.
Yes.
Say don't forget, like and share.
Don't forget to like and share.
What's your name, your channel?
And it's my toy.
Good job. Okay, let's do it.